Here's how to insert page margins on your page. Mostly this is normally used by people who are publishing or self-publishing their books. So these margins are normally for if you should not exceed the place where you have put the margin. So what we are going to do is that we are going to come here to file, and then you are going to show margin. So this is what I mean. So let's say we want to put lines in our page and we don't want it to exceed the page margin. So this is what we are going to do. Yeah, just put it here and put it here. And mostly it is used on no bleed books. You should not exceed this page margin just for you to be safe, especially if you're publishing your book or journal on KDP. When it comes to them printing the book, then your text and whatever graphic you have will be safe. So as you can see, because you can see what the page margin is making it to look like, very clean, and you have enough. This remaining space is just the extra because we don't know where the machine of the publisher is going to cut the text or the lines. So yeah, this is how you insert your page margins. And now we can remove them for us to see how the page looks like after. Yeah, here we have it. Here's how it looks like when we remove the page margins. Remember that for each book dimension there are specific number of lines that is required. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe.